Today is March the 14th, 2026, and we're doing an update on the new Percy Julian High School that's located on the Eastern Bypass in Montgomery, Alabama. It's a brand new state-of-the-art facility that will be servicing Montgomery and vicinity. I did an update at the end of January, and they've got quite a lot of work done on it, and as you can see, so just sit back and relax and watch the video. There is the Eastern Bypass. It's located right near Lagoon Park. Going to be a beautiful state-of-the-art educational facility. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching.